So I recently got sent out this Carlinkit kit, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. But first, let's do a super quick unboxing while I explain what this is actually good for. So a lot of cars these days don't have wireless CarPlay, but they'll have wired CarPlay, and this device right here will actually give you wireless CarPlay. All you have to do is plug it in. They did give us a little strip of adhesive right there. We're gonna get a USB-C to USB-C and then a USB-A to USB-C. So regardless what car you have, one of those should work. So we're gonna plug the USB-C end over there and USB-A to our car USB. So I just hooked it up right down there. We have the little light come on, and it's a very simple device. We even have some holes there for ventilation, which is pretty cool. Now up here on the screen, you should see this. We're gonna go ahead and get our second phone out and start pairing it up. So we're gonna go to Bluetooth, and now we're gonna wait for it to pop up. All right, so that matches what they're saying is up there. Now we're gonna pair it with the code that's on my screen. And I was talking about a screen down here, I just didn't wanna show you guys the code. And now we're just gonna give it a second. Gonna go to Apple CarPlay, and boom, we have wireless CarPlay. So it works just like normal CarPlay. You're able to go ahead and scroll through here. Then we also have the maps right up here. And then of course we can make phone calls through this as well. So it works just like your normal CarPlay, but it is now wireless, and my phone's right here and it's still working. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play a song here. And I can't play music on Amazon reviews, but you guys can get the point. It is working and is already playing completely wireless. So once again, the only wire hooked up is to that adapter. My phone is completely free. All right, so with these, I like to do a quick test. I like to see how fast I could actually pair up to the device. So we're gonna go ahead, open the door, let the car fully turn off. I'm gonna make sure my Bluetooth is on my phone. So we should be good to go. Let's go ahead, start it up, and we're waiting to see something right here. That'll let us know when we are paired up. So we see the device, and boom, we are already wirelessly connected to our car. And honestly, I've compared a whole bunch of these. I've even reviewed smaller ones, and so far that has been the fastest connection time I've seen with all of my testing. So if you guys are looking for a wireless CarPlay kit, this is a really cool one to look into. I have no complaints about it, works just fine. And it's very practical to use. I've been very annoyed having to plug my phone in every single time I get in the car. So now I could just hop in the car, turn it on, it connects, and then I'm good to go. So anyways, that's it for my super quick review and setup of installing the CarPlay Link kit.